It's Women's Equality Day on August 26th.
A day that commemorates women receiving the right to vote.
Can you imagine a time when women didn't have a voice?
Unmuting yourself in the world, in the workplace, can still be uncomfortable.
And when you mute yourself, or someone else does, the world loses potential.
So today and every day,
Unmute.
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 Unmute!
I will be confident in my knowledge and what I bring to the table.
I will talk about my career goals with my manager.
I will ask that my name be put in the hat for the new project on the team.
I will voice my thoughts and believe that they count.
I will know my own worth.
I will trust myself.
I will take risks and not be afraid to fail.
I will unmute my ambition.
Now, more than ever,
Women are determined to be equal.
Inclusion and equality mean
Equal pay.
Promotions, project assignments,
Credit for ideas.
networking opportunities.
Coaching support.
happiness.
Self-worth.
Join us at Sonepar, where we believe and are committed
To equality for all.
And taking actions to be an industry leader
in this important mission.
Be the change in our industry and beyond.